At first, purchase any VPS server. When complete checkout, set your root password. Open your VPS portal and copy IP address. Now go to Chrome, search PuTTY and download latest version. Install it. Then open the software. Paste your IP, click on Open. Put your login user ID, root, and enter your password. Then go to Chrome and open aaPanel website. Click Install and copy free edition script. Go to Terminal and paste the script and hit Enter. After completed, you will get aaPanel login details. Now log in your aaPanel and install recommended app. Wait a few minutes until completed. Go to website and add your main domain. Add another domain for API. Then apply SSL for both domain. Open your terminal code and copy first one. Then click to main domain and open config. After that, paste the code and save it. Again, open your terminal code and copy the second code and follow same process. Then change your port. You can use 8010, then save it. Go to Document Root and upload your main file. Extract the folder. Next, create a database and upload SQL file. Now edit .env file. Change database, username, password. Change your domain name. Go to root folder, create a new folder. Upload your server zip, then extract it. Go to config.js and edit it. Similarly, change database, username, password, and domain name. Also change port 8010. Save it. Then go to App Store and install Redis, Node, and PM to Manager. Open PHP settings and set session mode Redis. Now run your domain on a new tab and log in with default user ID and password. Go to Setting, click to Social Network Setting, then click to WhatsApp and put your API URL and save it. Now set cron job. Now open Terminal and run the code which is mentioned in our terminal code PDF. Now open Portal and check QR code visible or not. Now this portal ready to use. You can change your logo and name. Check our full tutorial video which is pop up on I button. If you're not able to install following this video, then feel free to contact us. Number already mentioned in description.